Hey guys, welcome back to our video. As of February 2023, you could finally monetize your YouTube Shorts. So this past week, a little over a week, I posted 8 YouTube Shorts. So I'm going to show you guys how much YouTube paid me for the Shorts. YouTube Short number 1, I got 2,300 views, 16 hours of watch time, and gained 1 subscriber. YouTube paid me 19 cents for this YouTube Short. Just to give you more in-depth breakdown, so like I said, 19 cents since it has been published for the 2,000 views, and I made 16 cents from the Shorts feed via ads, and 3 cents via YouTube Premium users. That's essentially just saying whoever viewed the YouTube Short happened to also be a subscriber of YouTube Premium. YouTube Short number 2, so this one got 1,300 views, 10 hours of watch time, gained 2 subscribers, and this one paid me 9 cents. Just in comparison, the last short was 33 seconds long. This short is 55 seconds long. And going into more depth of the revenue, 9 cents, 7 of which came from the YouTube Short ads, and 2 cents came from YouTube Premium. Next YouTube Short is a 15-second short. I got 1,300 views, watch time of 5.5 hours, and gained 2 subscribers. YouTube paid me 11 cents for this short. Going into the revenue tab once again, YouTube paid me 9 cents via ads on the shorts and 2 cents via YouTube Premium. Next YouTube Short, this one is a 16-second short. I got 1,500 views for this one, watch time of 5 hours, gained 2 subscribers, and earned 14 cents. Breakdown of my payment for this one is 12 cents via YouTube Short ads, 3 cents through YouTube Premium. This is a 9-second short that got 2,300 views, 9 hours of watch time, and I gained 3 subscribers. And for this YouTube Short, I got 22 cents. Breaking down the revenue even more, I got 17 cents via YouTube Short ads and 5 cents via YouTube Premium. This is a 6-second short. This one got the most amount of views and periodically would just be pushed via YouTube Shorts feed. So sometimes I'll see a bump in viewership and sometimes it just dies off. But for this one, I got almost 3,000 views, 7.7 hours of watch time, gained 2 subscribers, and YouTube paid me 15 cents for this YouTube Short. Breaking down further into the revenue tab, I got 12 cents from the ads on the YouTube Shorts feed and 2 cents through YouTube Premium. 2 more examples here. This one is an 8-second short, got 1,400 views, 5 hours of watch time, gained 1 subscriber, and earned me 13 cents, of which 10 cents from YouTube ads and 3 cents via YouTube Premium. And last one I have to show you guys today is one that got me 1,500 views, 7.4 hours of watch time, and this YouTube paid me 6 cents for this YouTube Short. Breaking it down even further, I got 6 cents worth of ads and 0.005, so half a penny via YouTube Premium. So as of right now, unless you're getting thousands and millions of views, YouTube Shorts doesn't seem to be highly profitable just strictly through ads and YouTube Premium payments, but we'll see how that continues to grow as my views on YouTube Shorts continue to grow, hopefully. So I'll provide updates as I continue to post more YouTube Shorts, and hopefully we'll get more views on them. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.